Okay, hello, I'm Isaac Kong, and today I'll show you my fringe activity plan. So now I'm showing you how the laser scoreboard works. So this is how the laser scoreboard works. This is the example video. So this is the LDR value, and the other one is the threshold and where the light, at what value will the thing activate. Then the buzzer will sound and the LED will light up and the hit score will increase by 1. So now I use these components. I used LEDs, buttons, the buzzer, the LCD display, the resistors, the LDR, and the Arduino. So this is the circuit for the LDR. For the LDR, one end of it is connected to the 5 volts power. The other end is connected to pins A0 and lock 0 and to a resistor, then to ground. The aim of this LDR is to detect if a laser beam has hit the target. This is how the LED works. The negative is connected to the resistor, then connected to ground, while the positive is connected to pin 7. The aim of it is to create visual feedback to the players that the target has been hit. So this is how the buzzer works. So the buzzer will be connected to pin 9, and the ground of the buzzer will be connected to the ground of the Arduino. The aim of this is to create feedback that can be heard when the target has been shot. This is how the buttons work. So one end of the button is connected to the pins, 8 for increase the threshold, pin 12 for decrease the threshold, and pin 2 to reset the device. The other end is connected to a resistor, then connected to ground, while this end is connected to 3.3 volts. The aim is to create buttons to adjust the threshold value when the buttons are pressed and to reset the scoreboard. This is the LCD display circuit. The ground of the LCD is connected to the ground of the Arduino. VCC is connected to the 5 volts power supply. STA is connected to A4 and SCL is connected to A5. The aim of this is to tell how many times the target has been hit and states the threshold for easier access to control the threshold. So this is how to implement the idea. So this is the gameplay. So there will be a maze and the Robo Master will have to go around shooting 3 targets. The fastest team to complete it will be crowned the winner. The goal is to shoot both targets in the least possible time. The teams can control the robot manually, and the IR beam will be used. So this is the time schedule. For example, when we are given 30 minutes, 3 minutes will be used for briefing, 20 minutes will be for having fun, and 7 minutes will be stating how it works. So that is all from me.
Thank you, Isaac, for such a informative presentation. I just have a few questions that you mind answering.
Okay.
Okay, so the LDR that you propose, right? How many of that do you need for each game?
The target,
Yeah,
we plan to make 3.
you have to make three. So for each game, like for each station, it's a team versus team game, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me just clarify. So there are three targets to hit, and two teams will be playing at the same time.
Yes. No. One team will go up. One
Or
team by one team.
okay, so they'll be going one team by one team. Okay,
Yes.
so each team have to hit three targets also.
Yes.
Okay, sure. And then so it's just the scoring is purely based on their timing.
Yes. Timing.
Okay. Uh, can I know how big of an arena are you expecting for the main?
Uh, we can put. We can see what is the size of the arena, and then we can decide on how big the maze is.